Hey guys, what is up everybody? I'm Seychelle and you're watching the channel Tackle Cravings. Hey guys, again, hey. I'm so happy that I'm starting this YouTube channel. I don't know why. It took me a lot of thought process whether I'm going to be comfortable in talking with camera. A lot of thought process was there, and obviously, and I'm happy that I'm taking away all the fears and I'm doing this. As you guys may have seen my channel ID, you guys must have recognized it is a food channel which I'm gonna do. I also have an Instagram. If many of you don't know what it is, I'll put my Instagram ID here so that you guys could check that out. I will put amazing photos and recipes of food, and I'm so happy again. I don't know, I'm just keep on saying this, I'm happy. You may hear this furthermore as well. And yeah, let me start with myself first. I'm Seychelle. I'm a management student. I'm studying in Bangalore and I'm currently living in Coimbatore right now. Yes, my biggest concern is how I'm gonna start. My college may start, I guess, around first week of November, May. I'm not sure. And yeah, it's gonna be really difficult for me to continue maybe. But then I also have another plans. Let's see how that goes. And in Instagram, you may have checked, like I put amazing pictures over there, so it's maybe drooling. So that why don't I have more connection, why don't I have more conversation with people, and I thought YouTube was the best way to do that, and that's the reason I'm creating this YouTube channel. And yes, and other thing I wanted to say, guys, yes, this is my YouTube studio behind me, my kitchen studio, sorry. Till now nothing has been done because it's just starting process. There's more things to be done behind the background and everything. You guys will notice that in further videos because I just want to start out with it. I'm not even sure how many people are gonna watch this, so I just want to take a step little by little. And my main focus is to share my food and recipes. And guys, I need your huge support in this journey for me. Make sure you guys subscribe to this channel. Also share it with your friends and do like this video. Yes, I'm so excited. I will be meeting you in my first cooking recipe video. Until then, goodbye.